This is Mike Moore at HVAC Learning Solutions, and I'm here today to tell you about a seminar that we have coming up, a webinar we have coming up on January 13th. It talks about creating a marketing plan. Gary Oetker, our business coach, will now take you through the particulars.
Thank you, Mike. The previous webinar, we introduced the financial plan, the budgeting, and we decided on the revenue numbers. Where this takes us, the marketing webinar, is where are we going to get the leads for each of those? It's going to talk about internal marketing, it's going to talk about operational marketing, and it's also going to talk about external marketing, advertising, and how you need to make all those pieces fit. The objective of the class is for you to be able to walk away with a marketing plan for next year. It doesn't cover topics like creative, but it'll tell you how to determine your leads, help you think about where those leads are going to come from, and it's going to help you create some accountability for your marketing investment. So it's going to be a good one, Mike.
Be sure you join this seminar. It's coming along at the right time, the right place, with the right topic, because this is the key to us having a successful business.